Hey everyone, welcome back to my Python programming series. So in today's episode, we will dive deep into Python data types, including integers, floating point numbers, strings, lists, and dictionaries. So let's get started. Okay, so first of all, we talk about integer. So integer data type is used in Python program to represent whole numbers. Integers are numbers without a fractional part and can include both positive and negative whole numbers. The integer data type is extremely useful for numerical calculations and operations. So let's define the integer data type. So let's say x, so this is a variable, equal 10. It's easy, right? So we define one more. So y equal 5. And then, so let's calculate. So result equal x plus not 10, y. And then let's print out, so result. So now you can guess the answer, right? So 10 plus 5 is 15, right? So what if we use a minus instead of plus? So the answer is 5, right? So now we swap the position, like y is here and x is here. So what is the answer? So the answer is -5, right? So it's easy, right? So we talk about this kind of operator in the next lesson. So now we focus on the data type. So how about multiply? So asterisk, we use asterisk. So asterisk means multiply. So y is 5 multiply 10. So what is the answer? 15, right? It's easy. Yeah, so that is the integer data type. Okay, next, so we talk about the floating point numbers. So actually, it's almost same as integer. Like we can assign like this, x equal 1.0. And we can use x for calculation. So x plus 1.2. So what is the result? So 2.2, right? So how about x minus 1.2? So what is the result? So the answer is minus 0.1999999, something like that. It's unexpected, right? So the reason why result becomes this answer is due to the way floating point numbers are represented internally in Python and actually other many programming languages. So computers represent floating point numbers in binary, and this representation can lead to imprecise result when dealing with decimal numbers like 0.1 and 0.2. So specifically, decimal numbers like 0.1, 0.2 cannot be exactly represented in binary, so which result in rounding error when performing calculations. So the calculation x minus 1.2 produce this answer as a result due to these internal binary approximations. So to mitigate such issues, especially when precision is crucial, you may consider using a Python decimal module for high precision arithmetics. Additionally, when displaying or using the calculated result, rounding to suitable number of decimal places can be considered. So for example, you can use a round function and passing the result variable and to round the result to decimal places. So if we execute this program, so you can get minus 0.2. So 1.0 minus 1.2 is a minus 0.2, right? So we can get like a expected answer. Okay, so let me stop explanation because this video is getting longer. So I want to make all videos of this series short so that you can learn Python programming quickly with a short time, right? So in the next lecture, I'm going to talk about the rest of data types such as string, list, and a dictionary. So I'll see you in the next lecture.